Christmas is really the only time that I can really take my mind off of the business. So this is a great time for me to just relax, not do much really. And I am actually planning a quick trip out to Hawaii. So I'm looking forward to that.
This Boxing Day, I'm actually doing the same tradition that I've been doing with a couple of friends for the last 15 years. Every Boxing Day, we actually get up at 3 in the morning and we walk about 10 kilometers to the nearest Best Buy.
I don't have plans. Well, I guess the lack of plans that makes it a plan, because I'm just going to relax at home, spend time with family, friends. Looking forward to that.
No plans for Christmas this year. I kind of got all my events out of the way in November. Me and my girlfriend, now fiance, went to the Philippines for 3 weeks. And so that's about it.
Nothing tangible yet. Mostly just play Dungeons and Dragons with my friends. Secret Santas, I have a few of those, I think 3 gift exchanges. So I got a lot of gifts to get together. And then yeah, just a family get together, something quick, short.
Santa for this year. I am...
I just got engaged back in May of this year, so I feel like I really have everything that I need.
Actually, I haven't asked for anything. Probably a new Liverpool shirt, so my soccer team. Normally is what's underneath the tree. Santa's been very kind to me for the last 29 years with providing one, so yeah, absolutely expect that.
I want a dog.
I didn't really think about that this year. I mean, I don't really...
I would like to have a new camera, and probably those lenses that you use for sports action photography. Yes, I need that.
This Christmas, I'm asking Santa for the Thinkware U1000.
Well, 2019 was an awesome year for the team. We added not only dash cams, but also added categories on Amazon and whatnot. And in 2020, we're looking for expanding into more categories, as well as also launching more dash cam brands, as well as different models from different dash cam companies. Apart from work, I'm looking at more to do with eating healthy, really, and finding that work-life balance.
Early 2020, I'm actually already have a trip planned going to CES in Las Vegas. I'm going to be going with Alex and Murphy, and we're going to be going there to check out the latest dash cams and just other technology in the field. Super looking forward to partying it up in Las Vegas with them, and just really getting the most out of it.
So it's literally going to be start of the year, January 3rd, but it's for CES in Las Vegas. Looking forward to that. Never been to CES before, and I have a little personal vacation before that. So very much looking forward to that.
I'm looking forward to actually growing here. Personal life, looking forward to trying to watch as much sport as I can live. Have a few UFC events lined up and things like that, but otherwise, yeah, just live life to the fullest, I think.
Looking forward to actually taking a look at going back to school to become a proper mechanic.
Traveling with other kids, maybe with the husband, but definitely no kids. Traveling for sure.
Thank you, everyone, our customers, to our viewers, to our staff here at BlackboxMyCar. 2019 is and was a very memorable year for myself and for the team, really. I look forward to serving our customers and our community more so in 2020. And happy holidays, wishing everybody a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.